Sunday, 27th of April, 2025, road trip video. Low light, Google Pixel 9 Plus Pro or Pro Plus XL. People have been asking to see how low light video does with this Google Pixel phone, so that's what we're doing. We have this video multiple times, but we don't have it multiple times with the Google Pixel low light, so that's what we're doing. We've gone over what the road trip is going to be if we do our plan. I don't want to go over it again. Please like, share, and subscribe. I need subscribers, I need viewers, I need watch time. And we've got this, when we're using the cell phones, we have them mounted on a mirror mount hanging from the rear view mirror. And unless the road is really smooth, there's an awful lot of wiggle. And the phone cameras just do not have good enough image stabilization to handle it. So I will usually use the GoPro Black 10, or I'm going to start doing it more. GoPro Black 10, the Osmo Action 3, to do video for the dash cam, or on rough roads at least, like dirt roads. It makes it where I'm going to have to learn. I can connect both of these other cameras to the internet and do live upstream, but then I've got to learn the process. Connect them to the Wi-Fi and all that stuff. So, and we've about decided to sell our other two ZJ Jeeps, the Grand Cherokees, so we won't have to put any money in tires to get it back on the road. We'll sell both of those, and we should be able to buy two cameras that we're wanting. Maybe the Osmo Action 5 and the Insta360 X5. Both of them are supposed to have very good low light. They'd have a lot of overlap with what I'd use them for, but they would have some individual purposes as well. So we'd be able to get both of these vans roadworthy, plus maybe buy us a pepper spray launcher, or I call it a pepper spray handgun, and review it right about to get it with the cartridges and the CO2, with the whole package and everything I'd want. Be about $550, $600. The two cameras would be about $1,200. So that would take up most of the, or at least half of the money from the Jeeps, and take the other half and put in these two vans. And that'd give us the 97 Cherokee plus the two vans. It should be roadworthy for many miles, or at least the vans. I still need to do some work on the 97 Cherokee. But, and then if we split the mileage between these two vans, if we have them in good shape where all they need is oil changes and some maintenance, that kind of stuff, we could very well extend the life of both of these, 100,000 miles with very little upkeep, which would be very nice, because gas eats us up. We're getting on 85 South from, I think it's exit 137, Jefferson exit. And we're headed, I'd like to get down into Decatur in time, go through Decatur, go US 29 through Decatur and Atlanta, come out and catch the Flint River origin of the Flint River over around Hartsfield-Jackson Airport. And if we have time, flip over and get the origin of the South River, the GPS coordinates. And that is one of three rivers that go into Jackson Lake, and then coming out of Jackson Lake form the Okie River. And talk about it a little bit, but then follow US 29 and southwest Georgia. Stay a couple of nights, 3 or 4 nights in Georgia State Parks. Use our 2 free nights and combine with 2 senior nights, and maybe stay 4 nights for about $60. $15 a night is about as good as you're going to get anywhere. Better than you're going to get almost anywhere. But yeah, all the work they've done on 85 South, this is a lot smoother. This video should be good video even with the mirror mount. Again, this is the Google 9 Pro Plus XL. 1920 by 1080. Full HD. And we do not have night vision on. If we turn night vision on, it tightens up the focus, narrows the field of view. And we've got one video that's 12 minutes. This one is we'll get about 10 or 12 minutes on this one. That'll give us 2 additional low light videos for this Google Pixel. We'll switch over maybe to the S22. S22 Ultra, or maybe go with the GoPro Black 10 or the Osmo Action 3. Yeah, but this was just the dim light zone. I can't hardly hit the bright lights or the off-road lights on the freeway. But we did do that with the first video, the previous video. So if you watch it before you watch this one, or if you watch this one before you watch that one, go back and watch this one. Both of them will be titled Road Trip, the Spring Road Trip. I'll probably label that one video 1 and this one video 2. Actually get a chance to hit these other lights, let you see them when those 2 get far enough ahead. This is about as empty as you'll ever see I-85, that's for sure. Get that wall to block the other cars before somebody overtakes us from behind, we will hit the off-road lights and the bright lights so you can see the difference in the lights, but also the video. I think we're about to get a chance. Okay, we're going to hit the, we may hear just in a second. Hit the off-road lights first, or no, we hit the bright lights first. There, that's with the bright lights. That's with the bright lights off, the dim lights again. Okay, we will turn the off-road lights on. No, that was just the road light. Off-road lights, that is a huge difference. Off-road with the bright. If I'm not mistaken, it's against the law to run these off-road lights. And you're out on the main road, they're just too bright. Of course, as bright as the stuff is coming from the factory now. That is just the brights. We're going back to dim now. That's just a dim. Coming up on exit 129, Brazelton Winder, 1 mile, Georgia Highway 11. guy here came right up on our bumper before he moved over to the left lane. I don't know why people do that. They'll get right up on you. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off, wrap it up. This is about 10.5 minutes. This camera used to cut off at 10 minutes. It was automatically set at 10 minutes. It must have updated the software where it would run, because we have gotten about a 20-minute video with it now. But that'll give us two additional low light videos with the Google Pixel 9 Pro Plus XL. So this will be a wrap. And watch out for the other videos. We may switch over to the S22 right now, but I'm not sure what we'll do yet.